How to add zoom transition in Premiere Pro easily is coming up next. To add a transition, we will be using a plugin named Motion Bro. Open website motionbro.net. Here we have two ways to install it. First, via Creative Cloud. For that, open the Creative Cloud on your browser and click on Install via Creative Cloud, and it will prompt to add the plugin. Now, the second installation method is for those who have some issues with Creative Cloud. For that, first download the plugin. I already have downloaded it. After that, we need to get the installer. All the links are provided in the description. After installing ZXP, open the file and navigate to the downloaded extension, and make sure you have extracted the zip file first. And simply select the Premiere Pro and install the extension. Now, time to download some free presets, and make sure to check the parent website for more cool presets. After downloading the preset files, extract them and rename the folder as Motion Bro Packages. Open the Premiere Pro, click on Windows, and under Extensions, select the Motion Bro. As I had previously installed it, so I had to change the directory. However, you will have to open the folder where the downloaded presets are located. Select the folder and it will have the key itself. As it has audio as well as video presets, so you can navigate by clicking on the folder above. Now, to apply the zoom transition, move the playhead between the two clips and then click on the desired transition. And after a few seconds, it will apply the audio as well as video effect. So that's how we apply the zoom transition easily in Premiere Pro. Found this video helpful? Then please share, and make sure to check other Premiere Pro tutorials from the playlist below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.